Hare Krishna everybody, this is your servant Aniruddha Dasa with another In the Loop video. I'd like to thank all of our volunteers for the wonderful services that they perform at Hare Krishna Melbourne and our other centres. We've got the festival season coming up in a few weeks' time, and now's the time to get coordinated and organised to celebrate the festivals, Julan Yatra, Janmashtami, Srila Prabhupada's Vyasa Puja, and then Radhashtami. This weekend I'm having a meeting with the Bhaktivedanta leaders and their hosts to help organise volunteers, especially for the larger occasions that are taking place in Wyndham, in Casey and in Hume. We had a really successful Janmashtami last year in those 4 locations, and really all of those events and their success depends on the volunteers and their participation. So on Saturday we're meeting at the Liade Street Community Centre in Port Melbourne to start strategising and planning for this year's big festivals. And we're encouraging all of you to consider participating in our appeals for support for the festivals. One announcement for everybody to consider is the progress that we're making on the changes, the renovations in Prabhupada House. Specifically, we're asking devotees not to go into the dining hall or the servery. We've just sanded down all of the floors. That includes the landing in Prabhupada's house, and we'll be working on the upstairs administration area behind Prabhupada House to sand, seal, and then polish the floors. So it's looking really good. It's looking fantastic, in fact. But for now, until the 14th, please don't go into the dining hall or the servery, because they'll be newly surfaced and we don't want people walking on the floors. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna